So today I'm about to show you how you can sell a variety of different merchandise like these with really simple basic designs on Amazon Merch on Demand, which is Amazon's very own print on demand service. And not only do not many people know about this at all, but the ones that do, not many of them are even talking about it. Yet it is generating thousands in passive income for people.
I made about $30,000 in profit. This is all profit, by the way. These are the Merch by Amazon royalties that are paid out to me.
$21,000 guys in the last 7 days.
This is going to be something that anyone can do from anywhere. So I'm about to give you all the details of how you can get into Amazon's print on demand program. And I'm going to show you how to create the designs. I'm going to give you a full tutorial today. What's up guys, this is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I am back with the news that you can use, but first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jambo, namaste. Now today's video is going to be a little longer because I really want to take my time and explain all of the things that you need to be successful in this. I don't want to just give you the hot topics and brush over everything. I want to give you the details for you to succeed. So in case you have never heard of Amazon Merch on Demand, this is the print on demand side of Amazon. It allows you to upload many different designs onto Amazon's products like shirts, hoodies, sweaters, totes, phone cases, and even pillows. And like I said, I am going to show you a quick and easy way for you to create designs to upload to Amazon. But once you upload them and put them on the products, then Amazon will create a product page for you. And this will allow you to showcase all of the designs that you have created to their millions of customers. And so when someone purchases your product, then Amazon is going to print it for you and they will ship it. And another thing they also do is handle all of your customer service for you. So it is really similar to many other print on demand companies, except this one is exclusive to Amazon only. And so in order for you to start selling on Merch by Amazon, you are actually going to have to apply. And sometimes getting accepted into this program can be a little tricky, but don't worry, that's why I am here today. I am going to share the tips and the things that you need to do to help you to get accepted into this program and start making this money. So we are going to start out by going to merch.amazon.com and we are going to select this sign up button. Now from here you will have to log into your Amazon account, and if you don't have one already, you can create one right here for free. Now the application itself is going to be very basic, but it's some very important parts to it that you don't want to mess up. So they're really going to ask you some basic questions, especially for setting up how you are going to get paid. They're going to want to know your tax information, your banking information. And just FYI, a lot of people always ask me this question: do you need a LLC to do this? No, you do not. If you have one and you want to do it with your business, then you can. However, if you want to do it just personally, you can do it that way also. Now yo, listen close, come a little closer. This is the most important part that you want to focus on right here on this sign up form. This is like their little interview process. This is going to make or break you when it comes to you getting accepted into the Merch on Demand program. Now I'm going to tell you what I did, what I focused on, what helped me. So of course you're going to first select your industry, and I just chose the novelty t-shirt business. But you see this section right here? Let me zoom in a little closer. It says additional information. This is what they are going to look closely at to see if you're a good fit. And it says to please tell us more about yourself, including your design background and what types of designs you plan to create on merch. What's going to be really important is that you tell them what you can bring to the platform, not necessarily what you can get out of it. They want to see how you can add value to Amazon. You want to tell them what you plan on doing on there. And you want to make sure you take your time with writing this part. You want to make sure that there are no grammatical errors here. And I am really stressing this part because this is why a lot of people get denied. I actually was denied my very first time. But also keep in mind that if you get denied with one account, just sign up with another one. I ended up applying personally and with my business. So I basically told them that I am a content creator on YouTube. Remember, they want to know some of your background in design. But I also told them I want to help people become the best version of themselves. And I believe that this platform will help me to reach more people to do that. And I want to create motivational slogans to help uplift people. I told them that I've sold on different platforms like Etsy. I told them that I have experience with creating different designs on Canva. But again, what's important is what you can bring to this platform. So if you have any kind of social media following, even if it's just 500 people or 1,000 people, you can use that and say how you plan on bringing in your followers to this platform. Because then they're going to look at it like, okay, so now they are trying to help us to grow. Because at the end of the day, it's all about making money. So you just have to work it here, take your time. If you are not good with writing paragraphs or you're drawing a blank, you don't really know what to say here, you can always go to ChatGPT and you can ask for assistance. You can ask it to help you to write a paragraph about why you should be accepted into Amazon merch program. You can tell it a little bit of your experience. You can tell it if you have a social media following, and they can help you to write it. Now, you don't want to take verbatim what they say. You want to just draw inspiration from it and put it into your own words. And getting accepted can take as little as 2 days. It can take a week. For some people, it can take months. It actually took months for me. Now, once you are accepted, congratulations first and foremost. But now you are ready to start creating. So once you are in Merch on Demand, you are going to come up here to the Create tab. And these are all of the different products that you will be able to add your designs to. And just to give you a quick example, because we will get deep into this in a second, but this is one of the designs that I created for my greeting that I always say when I start off my videos. And this was created with a tool that made it super easy to do called Merch Informer. So when I got into Merch Informer, I just selected the 4500 by 5400 because this is the standard size when you are creating shirts. And then once I got into the program, they're going to give you this blank page for you to work with. And so I changed it to a black background. Why? Because I just like to work that way. And then I just added text to it. There's a text tab. You click it and you select add heading. And then I just started writing out everything like Journey with the Hintons. Then I put the hello, the bonjour, the hola, the aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jambo, and namaste. And then I just came up to the top. You can play around with the different fonts here, and I wanted to make it look different from each other because it's different greetings from different parts of the world. And that's why I also played around with the colors as well too. And this is the final product, and it was just that simple and easy. And a lot of the shirts that you're going to be seeing on Amazon that's performing well are shirts that just have words on them. And so once I finished with that design, I just downloaded it and I came back over here to Amazon. And once you upload your design, you can take that one design and at that one time you can upload it to a variety of different products. You'll just click here and select which ones you want it on. And today I actually have some samples of some of the products that my design is on, because I wanted to show you what this is going to look like once you put your designs onto these products, so that you can see the quality of it, see if it's something that you like, because looking on a computer is different from what you receive in the mail. And this is the standard shirt right here. It is really nice. I like the quality, the colors, it really pops on this black. Now another thing that I slapped my design on is going to be a phone case, and this is actually what the phone case looks like here. It is really nice. I'm telling y'all, the quality came out really well. So this is what it actually looks like on my iPhone here. This is so nice, and it comes in all of the different sizes, from the newest iPhone 15, they have 14, 13, 12. They have many different options. They also have those other phones, you know, those Samsung people. And one of the things that I really love as well is this pillow, y'all. Look at this pillow. This is so nice. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on my office sofa. And I also have another design too. This is another one. It has my greetings. going around it with the different color hands, because you know we promote unity here and we global around here. So let me know down in the comments what you think about the design and the quality of how everything looks. And I put the link to all of these products down in the description if you are interested in ordering any, so that you can personally see what the quality looks like, or if you want to support and rock the Journey with the Hintons greeting. So I just wanted to give you a quick example of how easy it is to create the designs and what they look like. But as a beginner to this thing, when you are first starting out, before you go to start designing anything, the most important thing you want to do is find what type of things people are buying. You want designs that do not have a lot of competition. And we will be using Merch Informer yet again. This will not only help you to find the right designs, but it's also going to make sure that these designs are not trademarked, so that you don't end up getting in trouble and kicked out of the Amazon program. So when you are on the Merch Informer's main page, you'll see a lot of tutorials here, but we are going to go over here to the product research, and we'll go down to merch archive. And what this is going to let you do is see any date in the past, so that you can see what the top selling designs were during whatever date you select. So it is December now, and we are going to go back to last year, December 1st, to see what the top designs were. And of course, you know it's going to be Christmas. So these are all of the shirts that they are saying we're getting pretty good sales. Now Amazon does also work with big brands, like as you can see there's a Christmas shirt right here with the Grinch on it. You can't go and make the Grinch, okay, because that is a trademark thing. But as I'm scrolling through, I am coming across a lot of shirts that have Christmas humor in it. This is mine, is Too Hot for Ugly Christmas sweater shirt. They have another one on here that says nice, naughty, and innocent until proven guilty. So what we're going to do now is take those results we just found from the past, and we are going to go to the product search tab so that we can see what is doing well today. And so I'm going to type in funny Christmas. And so these are the shirts that are selling right now. There's one right here that says might as well sleep under the tree, because we all know I'm the gift. And there are quite a few that's doing well currently, because what you want to make sure you are focusing on is shirts that have a bestseller ranking, which ranks how well they're doing on Amazon, but you want that ranking to be less than 100,000. Now this is another shirt that is doing really well right now, and I was skeptical about doing this one, y'all. But this is one that continues to do well over time. And you can check how well a shirt does over time by just coming up here to this circle tab. And that's important to do so that you can make sure you're not picking a design that just had one good day. You want to see it consistently getting sales. And as you can see right here, the lower it is, the more sales it's getting. And this is getting sales over months. So for the sake of this video, we are going to go with this one. But there's a couple of more things you want to do before you just go and start designing things. And one of them is going to be to check out the competition, because we don't want to enter into a saturated market. That's when you don't get sales for shirts. So Merch Informer has another part to it that allows you to check on Amazon and see what the competition looks like. And all you will have to do is go to merchresearch.com, and then right here you can put in whatever that phrase is that you want to check. And it's going to take us over to Amazon. And as you can see, the competition is really low. Anything less than 1,000 results on Amazon is pretty good. That means that you will have a higher chance of getting sales. So we have taken a really broad niche, which is Christmas shirts, and we have brought it down to something that's very specific in the Christmas shirt area. That's why a lot of people miss out. They go and they just want to say, I'm creating a Christmas shirt, and then they wonder why they don't get sales, because there's thousands and thousands of people out there that's also creating a Christmas shirt. So you want to kind of sub niche, you want to get specific so that you can be found. And even though what we just found is pretty good, we can still put our own spin on that. And as you can see, the results for that is even less. So that means that you're going to rank even higher than before. But we're going into the last thing we need to do when it comes to the research, and that's checking to make sure that there is no trademark on this. So again, in Merch Informer, there's a tab called trademarks. And what's really awesome about this is you can select trademark alerts, and you can type in that phrase, and then you'll hit save. And what this is going to do every single day from here on out is going to check to make sure that the phrase that you entered does not have a trademark, because you can check today and there's no trademark, but then 2, 3, 4, 5 months down the line someone decides to trademark that, and then you end up in trouble, even though when you put it up there was no trademark. But you're also going to want to check now and hit check trademarks to make sure currently there's no issue, because it's not going to just check it because you saved it. And as you can see, there's a green check right here, which means it is safe. So after all of the work we just did, we can finally start the creation process. And this part of it will probably literally take less than 5 minutes to do. So in Merch Informer, we are going to go to the designer tab. And so as we saw with that shirt, it was a really simple design. It just had the phrase on there, and then it had a little small design in there. So what we are going to do, I'm going to change this background to black. Again, I said I like to work on black. And I am going to select the text tab right here, and I'm going to add a heading, and I'll type in deck the halls, and then I'm going to add another heading with my balls. So now it is time to add our photo, our graphic to our design. And so we're going to select this tab right here, and there's going to be 2 different ways that you can look for designs. Merch Informer have their own graphics that they hand create, and they upload 100 different ones a month. So we can just type in Christmas, and we can look for some ornaments to add. They have 2 right here that we can use. You can also select the Pixabay tab and type in Christmas ornaments or ornaments, and there are several in there that you can just choose and play around with. But I think I'm going to stick with the 2 from Merch Informer. And all I'm going to do from here is just play around with the font. I'm going to come to the top up here and just find something that's fun and makes it feel Christmassy. And that's pretty much it to the design, y'all. And if you want to preview what it's going to look like before you bring it over to Amazon, you can just hit the preview tab down here, and you can see what it looks like on a male shirt or on a woman's shirt. But at that point, all you have left to do is just download it. Now, I do want you to know, like I said, you can start a free 3-day trial with Merch Informer. But after that, a monthly membership as a newbie on Merch Informer is going to be $9.99. However, you can use my 20% off coupon that's down in the description, and you can do all of the things we just went through for $7.99 a month. And then we're going to come back over here to Merch on Amazon so that we can upload our design. And it will automatically add it to all of the products on here that they offer. And if you don't want to put it on everything, you'll just hit that select products, and you can go through and select and deselect which ones you want it to be on and which ones you don't want it on. And each of these categories also show the different marketplaces that it'll be sold in. And I just leave it on yes, translate my product information because of those different markets that is being sold in. But you'll just come up with your design title, and you can stick pretty close to what was working on that other design. Other than that, the last thing you will have to do is hit publish, and then they're going to review it and make sure it meets all of their standards, and then you'll be a merch on demand seller. And once you create your first design and you upload it to Amazon, make sure you come back. You can also email me so that I can keep track with all of your progress. So other than that, I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we are out. Peace.